Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclubs.com. I am here with the final analysis of 23rd of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, we have another lucky day with signals, and I'm going to talk about those signals in this signals report. This is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning. And EURUSD with a bearish expectation from 110037 and 109679 was the target price. And guys, you can see within a single candle, EURUSD has finally hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on EURUSD. They must have ended up with massive profits because this is a big drop that appeared today on EURUSD. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, I am going to take you towards the signals report. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 134086 and 133194 is the target price. And guys, however, you can see target price is not met till now, but overall Great Britain Pound USD JPY has fallen from the level that I have provided early in the morning. And you know that the market keeps a bit slow on Mondays. So overall, if you have taken your profits till now, then you should be out of the trade on Great Britain Pound JPY because this is enough profit by keeping in mind the Monday. Okay, at next we are going to talk about EURJPY, another satisfied signal of the day. EURJPY with a bearish expectation from 118474 and 117947 was the target price. And guys, again the same thing happened. We have a sudden drop early in the morning, and EURJPY went down, and within a single candle we have hit the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. They must have ended up with good profits. At next, we are going to talk about the slow pair of the day, that's AUDJPY. However, it has went into our way for some time, and EURJPY with a bearish expectation from 72870. So guys, you can see it has already break our level and it's still down below our entry. So if it continues to go down like this, then it can reach up to 72286. Overall, I'm bearish on AUDJPY. At last, going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar and going to take you towards the signals report. So USD Canadian dollar with a bullish trend from 132842 and 133087 is the target price. You can see a very good candle that appeared today on USD Canadian dollar, and it has almost went near till the target price. So congratulations to our traders who have taken the buy positions on AUDUSD. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart, and these are called indicators. So how to use these indicators? A very simple method. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And the other supporting indicator is the scalper. You can see the scalper has also pointed the red arrow to sell the pair, and then look how swiftly the market has went down. And when the market comes into the lower red boundary or blue boundary, and if you see that the market is gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And look, also scalper has pointed the three white arrows here, and we will ignore the red arrows here because the market has already reached to the oversold levels as per the other red boundary indicator. So we will not give any grass to the red one. We will give the grass to the white one, and you can see the market has moved up. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to know that how I prepare this signal report is based on a trick that I teach for $700, and for this you need to come online on Skype when I prepare the signals, and we will prepare signals for 3 days, and you will be able to produce your own signals on any pair because this is a very good trick that I am using from 2015. So if you want to learn this trick, then come on and join me on info@200forexclubs.com. And for all other inquiries, you need to send your emails on the same email address, info@200forexclubs.com. Okay guys, I appreciate. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.